Hello everyone, my name is Nurmala Exalvida. I am from Physical Education D. Here I will present the result of my assignment, namely about what volleyball is. Volleyball is a sport played by two opposing teams. Each team consists of 6 players who try to hit the ball so that it passes over the net and falls on the opponent's court. Volleyball is a sport that relies on teamwork, skill, and strategy to win matches. The equipment used is volleyball net and volleyball court. Volleyball is governed by Federation Internationale de Volleyball as the parent international organization, while in Indonesia it is governed by All Indonesian Volleyball Association. The basic techniques in volleyball are number 1 is service. The first basic technique is a technique for starting a match called serve by making an initial blow towards the opposing team. What are the volleyball serving techniques? There are 5 types of volleyball serves, namely number 1 is float service. Bounce the ball horizontally without spinning. One overhand serve. Perform an overhand serve when the ball is above the shoulder without jumping. Number 2, underhand serve. Throwing the ball low or swinging underhand serve below the shoulder. Number 3, jump service. Raise the ball vertically, then the player jumps and hits the ball. Number 4, service S. Hitting the ball as hard as possible so that the opposing team cannot predict it. Number 5, overhand passing. The first type of passing is overhand passing, namely pushing the ball with an open hand above the head to a team player. Okay, number 2, bumping or bump passing. The second passing technique is done by looking both arms to bounce the ball towards the nearest teammate. Number 3, forearm pass. This type of passing involves passing of bouncing the ball to a teammate using the front arm. Number 4, attacking or attack. There are also techniques to attack the opposing team which include number 1, speaking or hitting. Hitting a volleyball with one open hand swing. Number 2, tip. Similar to speaking but only hits the tip of the volleyball so that the ball turns away from above the net. Okay, number 3, off speed hit. Similar to speaking but prioritize the rotating power of the volleyball to outwit the opposing team. Number 4, hit. Add extra power when hitting or speaking. Number 5, back row attack. Trick the opposing team with 2 players. One player pretends to attack and the other prepares a speed attack technique, off speed hit or roll shot. Number 6, roll shot similar to hitting but slower to reach the target. Next, number 5, blocking or defending. This technique is to keep the volleyball from landing in your team's field area by taking a stance, jumping, or staying still. Players who hold this position are not allowed to direct the ball with their hands or use technique other than blocking. The name of the player in this position is libero. Next, number 6, setting or a size. The setting technique is to specifically regulate the movement and rotation of the ball so that the next player can attack. Number 2, volleying. Different from setting, volleying is a technique of passing the ball with your hands in a diamond shape to a teammate so that the player who reaches first the ball can set it. Next, number 8, digging. One of the most difficult techniques is digging, which is done by stretching your arms near the bottom of the floor so that the ball does not touch the ground. Number 9, sliding. The dropping technique to save a ball that falls low is done by sliding and directing the player's entire body towards the ball. And then number 10, rolling. Different from sliding, this technique is used to minimize injury and speed up the player's return to their original position. The time to do this technique is when the ball falls to a very low position. The player drops his body and rotates below to get back to his feet. Okay, maybe that's all my presentation, and thank you for listening. Bye.